Hello and welcome to this video. My name's Barry Beckham. I'm here to introduce a whole range of video tutorials on the subject of Adobe Camera Raw, shooting and manipulating raw images. A saying we often hear these days, probably a little too often, is "it's a no-brainer," meaning something so obvious that everyone would agree it's the right course of action. If ever there was something that fits that modern saying, it's shooting and manipulating raw images. The advantages of RAW over JPEG images is just too great to ignore. And here is evidence of that. If you're a modern photographer, you have to be proficient and consistent with image editing. So it really makes no sense trying to achieve that with JPEGs when it's actually easier to achieve with raw images. Then again, you are viewing my introduction here, so perhaps you don't need to be reminded of that. I have recorded 24 full HD videos that have all been presented in a logical learning order, and what I mean by that is the easiest first. So all you need to do is to follow the video numbers, and you can go as far along the raw editing path as you wish to go. A number of videos from this set are available free for your evaluation. Check out the links to those on our PDF from the website. To find the whole set of videos, just go along to the main page of my website, go to CC Tutorials, then Photoshop Subjects, and you'll find the raw videos there along with the PDF. To learn raw image editing to the level you're going to require, the tools and techniques of Adobe Camera Raw must be demonstrated in context. It's not good enough to give someone a quick overview of the Camera Raw screen and the tools. To learn from videos, they need to be detailed, practical and relevant. And it's why these videos in total will run for over 6 hours. Now I tell you this not to scare you away from the learning process, but to indicate the depth of tuition these videos represent. Just remember that you can go as far along the learning as you wish to go. Just follow the numbered videos. As usual with my videos, I also share lots of tips and tricks to help you find your way to better images. Try the free videos from this set. You'll find links to those on our PDF, and you can make your judgment. You could also take a look at my image galleries on Flickr via a direct link from my home page. I direct you to those galleries because I'm confident the images that you'll see will demonstrate that on this subject I know what I'm talking about. I'm pretty confident that you'll not find a more cost-effective way to reach the raw image editing standards you're going to need. If you're watching this video on YouTube, a link to shooting and manipulating raw images has been added to the more detailed section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're informed whenever I put up a new video. If you've got any questions or queries regarding this set of videos, drop me an email. I will reply almost immediately.